This video will follow the cleaning and maintenance section of the 630 MA user guide. We're going to cover daily cleaning and maintenance procedures, as well as a few special cases for deeper cleaning. With proper cleaning and maintenance after your experiments, you will eliminate the need for the deeper cleaning. At the conclusion of your experiment, remove the tissue and the wires. Also, empty the chamber of buffer. However, keep your gas bubbling. Fill the chamber to the edge with 8% acetic acid. Allow that to bubble for 1 minute. While this is bubbling, you can use a cotton swab to clean all the chamber surfaces. Be careful not to hit the transducer side mount. After a minute, you can remove the acetic acid and perform 3 washes with double distilled water. After your water washes and drying the chamber, you want to check and make sure that there's a protective ring of the clear silicone grease. It is also helpful to check and make sure that there is grease between the force transducer housing and the chamber itself. Use the clear grease anywhere around the actual tissue chamber itself. If this gets in your chamber, it will not affect the function of your tissue. Over time and with enough use, you will notice that the micropositioner becomes stiff and it does not move as freely as it used to. You can easily re-grease the micropositioner and get it working like new. To re-grease the micropositioner, back the screw off all of the way. You will use the brown petroleum-based grease. This will affect the function of your tissue if it gets in the tissue chamber itself. Be careful not to get this in the chamber. You can stick the post of the micropositioner directly into the brown grease. Get a generous amount of grease on the post and then reattach the micropositioner. Screw it in until you see the attached mount moving in the chamber. This will re-grease the linear slide. There are a few special cases that will require deeper cleaning. If a hydrophobic reagent has been used, you will need to incubate the chamber with 96% ethanol. If a more resistant or toxic chemical has been used, you will incubate the chamber and the mounts with 1 molar hydrochloric acid. Do this for 1 minute. If either of the above has been used, make sure you do a thorough wash of the chamber and the mounts with double distilled water. No ethanol or hydrochloric acid should remain, otherwise corrosion will result in the chamber. You want to perform these deeper cleaning protocols as little as often. If you notice red or brown discolorations in your chamber, a detailed cleaning procedure can be found in the 630 MA user guide. For more detailed information about the system, please refer to the 630 MA user manual or additional resource videos, which can be found on the DMT website.